Ever missed the perfect moment, a sudden laugh, a quick jump because you were too slow with your phone or action cam? It's the quiet struggle of every creator. Live in the moment or capture it. DJI wants you to do both. Enter the DJI Osmo Nano, a leaked, ultra-compact action cam that could change everything. Smaller than ever, smarter than expected, and aimed straight at GoPro and Insta360. The Osmo Nano's modular design promises to make capturing life seamless. Tiny size, big features. The future of action cams might just fit in your pocket. Let's break it down. The first thing the leaks reveal is a two-part setup. Imagine a top module housing the main camera, and a bottom module packed with features like a battery, micro screen, and controls. This attaches magnetically to your chest via a neck lanyard, perfect for hands-free POV shots. It's like your own personal invisible camera person. A flappable screen even allows for vlogging and selfie modes. This is DJI taking another shot at modular design after the mixed reviews of the Action 2, but this time with lessons learned and a better understanding of what users actually want. This new form factor promises easy attachment of screens or battery modules, boosting convenience and versatility for creators on the go. Tech insider Igor Bogdanov has shared the Osmo Nano's FCC listing and its placement on an upcoming DJI roadmap. DJI has even registered two different model numbers with the FCC, ON 001 for the camera, OD 001 for the display, definitively confirming this modular approach. FCC documents hint at efficient wireless communication and low power consumption, suggesting extended battery life through add-on modules and seamless pairing. The Osmo Nano is set to launch on July 23, 2025, with an estimated price between $300 and $400. In terms of performance, the Osmo Nano is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor. Yes, a 1-inch sensor in a tiny wearable camera. This is huge, capable of recording 4K video at 120 frames per second. DJI's Osmo Action series already offers superior low-light performance compared to rivals like GoPro, and we expect the Osmo Nano to uphold that reputation, making those evening adventures pop. Stabilization is also set to be top-notch with the inclusion of Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady. This makes it perfect for fast-moving environments like sports, biking, or even as an incredibly adaptable camera option for DJI's existing drone lineup. Imagine attaching this for unique, silky smooth drone POV angles. Durability is key for any action cam, especially a modular one. The DJI Osmo Nano is rumored to offer serious toughness, with waterproofing up to 20 meters, plus dust and impact resistance. Connectivity is also getting a boost, with Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi for faster transfers and stable live streaming. Expect seamless integration with DJI gear like the Mic 2 and Ronin gimbals. Designed for creators who want to stay in the moment, the Nano may include AI subject tracking and smart shooting modes, bringing pro-level results, hands-free and hassle-free. From a market standpoint, DJI is clearly aiming to challenge both GoPro, Hero 11 Black Mini, and Insta360, Go 3S directly, leveraging its innovation and ecosystem integration. DJI's integrated approach gives it a strategic advantage in building brand loyalty and simplifying creator workflows. Lastly, there are whispers that DJI is developing a 360-degree camera under the Osmo brand this year, which could launch alongside the Nano. If true, this device might feature 8K 360-degree capture and AI-assisted reframing tools, placing it in direct competition with Insta360's X5. This would be a bold move for DJI, further cementing its role as a dominant player in both conventional and immersive imaging spaces. The DJI Osmo Nano is shaping up to be a true game-changer in wearable action cams. With a rumored 1-inch sensor, advanced stabilization, and deep DJI ecosystem integration, it promises big performance in a tiny form. If you're eyeing a new action cam, waiting for the Osmo Nano might be the smartest move of 2025. Could this be the compact powerhouse you've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments. What just dropped out of nowhere? New drone? Nope. DJI Osmo Action 6. No teaser, no trailer, just a silent FCC dock going public. And suddenly, the internet's buzzing like it found a secret prototype. Dual screens, a bold new front lens, and wait, what's that pill-shaped mystery under the display? Sensor, mic, something wild. Whatever it is, DJI just cracked the door open, and now we're all scrambling for answers. Here's what we know, and why GoPro should be nervous. Let's talk power. Two battery sizes leaked. 1,770 milliamp hours and 1,950 milliamp hours. Why two? One word, options. This could mean DJI is about to pull a power move and drop two models, possibly a standard Osmo Action 6 and a souped-up Pro Edition. One for everyday creators, weekend warriors, and casual thrill seekers. The other for filmmakers, mountain climbers, and the folks who film their entire lives in 4K. It's like DJI saw the iPhone playbook and said, yeah, we can do that, but with more adrenaline. If that turns out to be true, it could split the market wide open and give creators exactly the performance tier they've been asking for. Okay, so what's under the hood? We're expecting improvements in low-light clarity, maybe a wider aperture or a stacked CMOS sensor. Creators also want crisper slow-mo options, like 4K at 120 frames per second or even 240 frames per second in 1080p. While DJI's lips are sealed, the leak scene is painting a juicy picture. 6K video? Possible. 4K at 120 frames per second? Likely. Better HDR, improved low light, and a reworked version of Rocksteady that could take on GoPro's Hypersmooth? You bet. And that mysterious front-facing sensor? It could be part of a next-gen audio pickup system or new smart tracking tech. DJI is watching the competition closely, and the Action 6 isn't just about matching the hero lineup, it's about surpassing it. This thing is shaping up to be more than a rugged cam. It's looking like a handheld production house. The Osmo Action 5 Pro was a solid win for DJI, but it had its weak spots. Night shooting? Meh. Audio? Middling. Heat management? A little toasty. DJI isn't blind to that. Word on the street is they've focused hard on cooling, giving the Action 6 longer record times without meltdown mode. Low light, a wider aperture, or a better sensor could mean cleaner, more cinematic night footage. Add in improved slow motion. Yes, we're dreaming of 240 frames per second in 1080p and better mic compatibility? Boom. This camera becomes a real tool for serious content creators who don't want to carry a full rig just to get killer footage. Here's where it gets spicy. DJI isn't just improving hardware, they're making this camera smarter. Think AI-driven active track that actually keeps your subject centered while you're bombing downhill on a mountain bike. Gesture controls that work without embarrassing you. Auto horizon leveling that stays flat, no matter how wild your world gets. Even the UI could see a major overhaul for quicker setup on the go. And about that strange new design detail, the pill-shaped panel. If DJI nails this, it's not just an action cam, it's your new pocket-sized film assistant. Here we are, June 2025, and the next big adventure cam is knocking. With DJI's FCC leaks and release patterns, we're likely just weeks from the official launch. And true to form, DJI's moving fast, pushing boundaries while GoPro plays it safe. 2 versions, more power, smarter features. This isn't a simple refresh. It could be a full-on reboot of the action cam game if it nails low light, stabilization, and battery life. The Action 6 might just be the camera for 2025 creators and explorers alike. And that's the full breakdown, legends. The Osmo Action 6 is more than a rumor. It's real, it's coming, and it could be DJI's most exciting launch in years. What's your take? Are you Team Standard or Team Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're diving into them all. If you got hyped, learned something new, or just enjoyed chasing leaks like we do, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the official reveal. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep creating.